Good day everyone, this is Patrick from UsdJpy Code Trading System, and this is Sunday the 22nd of March 2020, and this is the weekly analysis for spot gold and dollar yen for the 4th week of March. And let's take a look at you see the negative correlation between spot gold and dollar yen, which has been climbing along with the US dollar strength. Let's take a look at the spot gold here. And after a bearish week, previous week, it has already dipped lower at the start of the week to almost retest the 1450 level, and that's the low of the October of last year, or is it November of last year, at this swing low. And it has been consolidating for the second half of the week, but this consolidation between the 50% and the 0 fib, that's a 700 pip range, which is still very significant. And towards the end of on Friday, it has attempted to climb above the 1500 level, and also the daily 200 EMA. Let's mark this here as resistance. Right, and the support is at the 1450 level, along with the, let's mark this over here. Oops. Along with the low of November last year, so around the 1445 area. So that's the range for this coming week, and it needs to either break out higher or break down. If it does break down, then next obvious one will be the 1400 round figure level. But we'll see if it's able to get there. Let's take a look at the weekly time frame as well. Yeah, if it dips below the 1450, then it could try to target the 1400 level, where it first started to break out from this triangle, and that was the second breakout from this descending wedge. Right, but for the moment, with such a strong support from this level, as well as the weekly 55 EMA, it doesn't seem that it's going to break down to 1400 that soon, but you never know. Right, so we'll see the start of the week whether it's able to break out above 1500 and then back up to the 50% fib retracement level. Right, so a lot of fundamental news will determine the direction of this so-called safe haven. Even though it's a safe haven, it's been selling off. Basically, all assets have been selling off as all the funds have been cashing out to protect their profits, as well as to allocate more into cash for rainy day for the next possible bullish move. So that's why everything has been falling, and especially against the US dollar as well. Alright, let's switch to the dollar yen, which has staged a remarkable recovery after falling from the high of the year at 112 level, falling all the way down to just above 101. So that's that's $11, which is 1100 pips, and a strong recovery from there all the way back up to 111 again, just above 111, and has formed a doji for Friday. So that could signal some pause and some consolidation. So this 110 level is going to be interim support now. We'll see whether it's strong enough to provide support. Next level is at the 108, that's at the swing low. 108 area. And right below that at the 105, which is at the 162 fib retracement fib extension level. But yeah, you could likely find support at the 138 fib first, at the 106, where the last week's weekly pivot was. So this, we can also mark this here as interim support, this area. All right. So the US dollar strength could be petering off and could be just consolidating, and we'll see if it's able to hold on to its gains or above 110, and especially above the monthly pivot at the 109.27. Let's take a quick look on the weekly time frame, and there could be some consolidation, find support at the 50% fib, which is right at 110, before trying to attack the 112 swing high area. And then right above that is at 112.40, which is the high of last year. So we'll see whether it's going to continue to crack that and above. All right. So do check out my other videos on Euro, cable, and Aussie dollar, as well as my Ichimoku analysis. And do have a safe and good trading week this coming week. And cheers then.